Top 5 Best Tire Repair Kits. Top 1. Dynaplug Tubeless Tire Repair Tool Kit. Features: made in the USA. Billet 303 stainless steel 5 machine compartments for storage. Included in this deal: 1 Dynaplug tool, 8 repair plugs, 3 insertion tubes, 1 clearing attachment, 1 pipe cleaner. Top 2. Safety Seal Auto and Light Truck Deluxe Tire Repair Kit. 60 string tire repair kit by SAS Safety. The Deluxe kit contains 60 string 64 inches repairs metal T-handle insertion tool extra insertion needle. Top 3. Slim 70,004 Power Spair Tire Repair Kit, 48-piece set. 48-piece flat tire repair kit includes everything you need in a durable carrying case. The 12-volt tire inflator plugs directly into cigarette lighter and inflates a standard car tire in 3 minutes. Top 4. Mallofusa 5-gallon air tire bead seater blaster tool seating inflator car truck ATV tank. Quickly inflates tire sidewall to seat the bead onto wheel rim for all tires up to 24.5 inches, including regular vehicles, trucks, tractors, RVs, ATVs and more. Shipped from the United States. Heavy-duty all-steel construction tank with powder coating finish. Top 5. Genuine Hyundai Accessories 091003Y111 Spare Tire Wheel Kit for Hyundai Elantra. Factory approved, space-saving spare tire kit for Elantra. Includes wheel, jack, lug wrench, hold-down clamp and foam tool case. Fits in trunk.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.